Today, I will be showing you how to choose a civilization in Zero AD. First, create a new game by hovering your cursor over Multiplayer and clicking Host New Game. After that, click Continue to proceed. Once you're inside the lobby, you can choose your player placement, or you can leave it set to unassigned if you prefer. On the right side of the screen, under Civilization, click the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of all available civilizations, or you can select random if you want a surprise. You can also choose the number of teams for your civilization, depending on how you want the match to be set up. Don't forget to customize the player settings and game type as well. When you're done, click Start Game in the lower right corner. And that is how you choose a civilization in Zero AD. Thank you for watching!